students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to learn new lesson counting in a groups. So let us see. Look here, some sticks are given here. So first we count these all sticks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Then 31, 32, 33, 34 and 35. Okay. Now you all of you understand how many sticks are here? 35 sticks are given here. Okay. There is a two methods of the counting. First method you can count like this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to see the second method. Okay, second method is what? You can make a group. Okay, last year I taught you the tables 2 to 10. Okay, you can take the help of this table. See, you can see the first picture. There are some glasses. They divided in a group. Okay, they divided in a 3 group. If you count the table number 3, you can get the number easily. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. Okay, if you count in a group wise, you can get the answer easily. See the bangles here. Bangles are divided in a group. 5 group there is a make. If you count 5 number table, you get the answer easily. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Okay, in this way, if you count all the things in a group way, you can get the answer, you can get the number easily. Understand all of you? You can see the earrings also and spoons also. If you count it in a group wise, you can get the answer easily. Now you can see this picture. Yash and Rama counted these sticks by two different methods. Okay, I told already two methods. This is the first method. Yash is counted like that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Rama is counting in a group wise. Okay. If you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way, it is a take so much time. And if you count it like Rama wise in a group, you can get the answer easily. Okay. Here Rama make a group of 10, 10. 110 means 10 things in each that one group. Okay. Like this way, she make a 3 groups. 3 groups means how many sticks here? 30. And 5 sticks are single here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means 35 sticks are here. 3 tens means what? 30 numbers are here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is a group of 1, the 10 things. Like this way, here it is a 3 groups, means 3 tens. Understand all of you? In a 35, 3 is a tens, means 30, and 5 is a units, means 30 plus 5 is a 35. Okay. You can see here also 10, 10, 10, 10 means 1, 2, 3 is a 30. Okay. And you know the number table of the 10. 10 3 is a word 30. Okay. 30 means 3 groups are here. Okay. And when we added these 5 sticks in that 30 number, we get the 35 number. If you count this in group wise, you can get the answer easily. Okay. You count it easily. See in this picture, Salma had the 24 sticks. Okay, they make a group. Here it is a 2 group. You can see, remember, in a 1 group is there a 10 sticks. So here it is a 2 groups. So 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 number. Okay, and see the 4 sticks are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then you get the 4 number are here. means you get the 24 number here total. Okay, then see the Sharad. Sharad, how many had the sticks here? Okay, remember always here it is a one group of the 10 things. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 tens are here. Okay, and if you count this loose sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Then we get the 5 unit. Then total sticks are here what? 45. Understand all of you? Then see the here also two groups. You can see the two groups here. Each one group have the 10 sticks. Okay. Means 2 tens are here. 2 tens means 20 number. Okay. Okay. Then we count the loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. How many sticks are here? 6. Then we get the number 26. Okay. You can see the some strings are here. So we count the all strings. Each strings has the 10 things in that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 tens. And how many units are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 units are here. So we get the number 43. Okay. You can see the here. Count the all cubes. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 50. Okay. So there is a 5 tens. And how many loose cubes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. Then we get the number 56. Okay. If you count in this way, if you count in a group wise, you can make a group. Then you count. You can get the answer easily. Okay. Now you understand this lesson, how you count in a group wise? Okay. Thank you.